This tutorial I am going to show on how to remove shadow from any photo quickly naturally. So let's get started. Stay with me just 2 minutes. At first open your photo to your Photoshop. Now press Ctrl J for layer copy. Now click on channels, and hold Ctrl key and click on RGB channel. After click then select RGB area. Then again go to your layer options. Then hold press Ctrl Shift I for inverse selection. Now press Ctrl J for layer copy to selection area. Then from blending mode select to screen. Now hold press Alt key and click on mask. For negative mask. Now make sure to select brush tool and must be select foreground color is white. And opacity as your desire. Now easily click and drag on your face for remove shadow naturally. Thanks for watching this full tutorial. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe for more update videos. Like, comment and share my videos. Support me for more update videos.